Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it looks like I'm naked. Anyways, today I am reviewing some products from Sandiva, which is a brand by Gokul Santhol. But before we get started, I want to just give you guys a little bit of an introduction, especially if you're new to this channel. My name is Ritika, I'm a content creator. I create content around skincare, makeup, and curly hair. If that interests you, then please click the subscribe button, ring the bell, go check out my Instagram where I post content relating to all of that stuff. Today we're going to talk about Sandiva. I'm going to give you guys a full review on these products. Sandiva is a brand by Gokul Santhol. Yes, the powder that your grandmother, your mother used to have, that comes in this white bottle. Everybody has used it in their life at least once. I'm not sure if it's all over India, but like South Indians, everybody has one bottle. This brand, the whole branding, the whole vibe of the products are really cool. This is the box that it came in. It came in a very beautiful box, and it's one of the nicest PR packages I've ever received. So once you open it, you have this like card. It talks about sandalwood. So the star ingredient of their range is sandalwood, and they use sandalwood dust, and it talks about how sandalwood is really good for like bacteria, and just in general, sandalwood is a very nice ingredient for skin. Sandal is as an ingredient, I feel like in Indian skincare and like Indian Ayurveda skincare especially is very, very popular. So they are cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. The thing about this that I really liked that they mentioned is that it's ethically sourced, it's harvested and not cut down. So they have 3 products in the range as of now. One and done protective primer, one and done tinted sunblock, one and done loose powder. So tinted sunblock and the powder both have SPF in them, and the primer doesn't have any SPF. So I'm going to talk about the primer first. I'm wearing it today. It's a beautiful primer. I did not expect it at all. It does have a very strong sandalwood scent. Normally, I don't like scents in my products. In general, if I were to choose anything, I would choose like fragrance-free products because like I'm very sensitive to scents. But the scent of sandalwood is something like it like brings nostalgia for me, so it doesn't really bother me that much. And once you apply it on your skin, it doesn't like, you don't get the smell at all. So I really like that. This one is formulated with sweet almond oil, black cumin oil, and moringa oil, and it's meant for all skin types. I really do think that this is a very good dupe for the Lakme Blur Perfect Primer. The only difference is that this has like a little bit of like better ingredients. It is a silicone based primer, so it does give that like smoothing effect. It's very, very smooth on the skin. Once you apply it, you can definitely feel like your canvas just looks so smooth, and all products like apply really beautifully on top of it. So yeah, I mean, huge thumbs up for this one. It comes in a 30 ml bottle. It's a very, very handy and definitely travel friendly as well. It also comes with a pump, which I really appreciate. I prefer primers that have like a pore filling effect to them, because I do have like a few pores over here, and I do like my skin to be very smooth. I really love primers, and yeah, I've been really enjoying this. I think it's really great. It does like make your makeup stay a lot longer, and I feel like it also like helps with the sweat. So if I were to go to college, I would definitely use this. I have 2 SPF based products, and one is the tinted sunblock and the other one is the loose powder. So I'm going to talk about the tinted sunblock right now. Out of all the 3 products, I think like this is like really, really cool. So they have 4 shades, and all 4 shades are tinted. It ranges from fair to deep, but again, it's not like the most inclusive shade range. But the thing about this is that it's a sunblock and it's a skincare product, and another thing is that it blends into your skin really well. There's barely any coverage, so I feel like like the 4 shades will suit most skin tones. But again, I do feel like they could do with like 2 more shades maybe, just to be more inclusive. The fact that they have 4 shades and like at least 2 shades that are leaning towards the deeper end, I appreciate, because some brands will come out with a tinted sunscreen or like a CC cream with sunscreen in it, and it's only for fair skin. So I appreciate that they have 4 shades at least, and with 2 shades that are a little bit more on the deeper end. So this has pure sandalwood dust and zinc oxide. So it is, I believe, a physical sunscreen. It comes in a pump. It has a very whipped texture. It's almost like that whipped foundation thing that you see online. It's the weirdest sunscreen texture I've ever seen, but it's also the smoothest sunscreen texture I've ever seen. It doesn't have any white cast, and I think it's because it's tinted. The shade is, I think, almost a perfect shade for me. So if you're deeper than me, you can go for the last shade. When you apply it, it's like whipped, but then it dries down to almost a powder, so you barely feel it on your skin. I do apply 3 pumps, like 3-finger rule. I do the 3-finger rule. If you don't know what the 3-finger rule is, you basically have to apply enough sunscreen to like cover 3 fingers, so that covers your neck, face and neck. This is a really good product to like use as a touch-up sunscreen. So that's something I wish I really had in college, because I didn't really have that, and you can't really reapply sunscreen in college, you know. I wouldn't say it's like a CC or a BB cream. It's a little bit less coverage than that. It's very, very barely any coverage. Like you can just see that your skin is like evened out, and yeah, that's it. Like you can't really cover up any like hyperpigmentation or anything like that with this product. As a touch-up product, as like a touch-up sunscreen product, I think in India we don't really have too many of those, so I'm very glad that they came out with this and that it has enough shades to cover most skin tones. So the SPF Top Up Loose Powder, I was so excited for this. So this has also, I think, 4 shades, and it's a loose powder. So if you are someone that goes to work or college or something like that, I mean, right now I don't think anybody is doing that, but like whatever, like let's just assume that we are all going to college or school. This kind of a product can be a lifesaver, especially if you wear makeup and you need to touch up your sunscreen. It is so good. I really like it. I think the concept is really great. It comes in a really nice packaging. It comes with a mirror as well. So there's a mirror over here inside. It's very dirty right now. It also comes with a sponge. Uses it as like a makeup powder, but I do apply a light layer after I'm done with my makeup, just to like add that extra sun protection. SPF 30, and it is PA++++, so 4 pluses, and they recommend it for normal to oily and combination skin, which I think is fair because it is a powder product. But I think for all skin types, something like this would be really great to have in your bag to go, and like just as a practice to keep like reapplying your sunscreen instead of having to like apply a cream or like having to remove your makeup and then apply sunscreen, which I don't think anybody does. But like you need to apply reapply your sunscreen throughout the day, and if you are lazy, then something like this is going to be very helpful. So I really appreciate that they came out with this as well. Please check out the description for more details. Please be sure to subscribe and ring the bell. Also, don't forget to check out my Instagram. Like I said, I've said this a million times, but check out my Instagram. And yeah, take care. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.